Cronan Ranch po, 25 minutes po mula sa bahay namin. Ayan po, makikita nyo po, dami po naka-parking. Libre parking lang po yan, free parking. Ayan po mga dala ko mga idol pag nagbabike ako, interior pump speaker, hydration bag, water, GoPro, gloves, mask, helmet, and speaker. Yan po, 45 minutes po naming aakyatin yan. Wala nang warm up, akyatan kagad. Patayan na! Himas-himas muna ng kabayo bago umakyat. Dalawang mag-asawa, oh, nasa taas na po, oh. Nag-hiking. Nauna. Trail courtesy, Cronan Ranch hunting rules. Hunting is restricted to these 4 species: deer, turkey, and quail and doves. 7 principle. Hunting and shooting. Quail and dove hunting during correct season, deer hunting fall season, deer hunting summer season, turkey hunting fall season. Ayan po, papasok na kami, start na. Ayan po, mayroon kami nakasalubong, pero mag-asawa may dalang aso. Tapos yan, nagsimula na po horseback riding. Oops, dito po sa kanan, ang pangalan po ng trail is West Ridge Trail sa Cronan Ranch. Tara na, akyatan na. Yan po, 45 minutes po namin akyatin yan. Itong Cronan Ranch Trail Park po mga lodi, makikita po sa Pilot Hill, North California. Pwede kang mag-hiking, biking, horseback riding, and fishing. Marami po kayong makikitang magagandang hayop dito katulad po ng bobcat, fox, rattlesnake, bear, mountain lion, at skunk, at marami pa pong iba. Ang hirap, napapagod na yung paa ko, nangangalay na, pinupulikat na yata. Sobrang taas, nakakapagod. Labas na yung sipon ko. Push. Push. Banayad ride. Dahan-dahan lang. Pero kayang-kaya, makakarating din. Ayan, 20 minutes, napadyakan, hinihintay na ako ng kasama ko. First stop namin, tatanawin, ang ganda ng tanawin. Wow! Yan po, first stop namin. Makikita nyo yung kabundukan, langit, at mga trail, iba-ibang trail dito sa Cronan Ranch. Wow! Pagkatapos po ng 15 minutes na pahinga, akyatan na ulit. Pagpasok po natin dito sa Cronan Ranch, itong West Ridge Trail ang unang bubungad sa inyo. At ang taas po nito is 5,000 feet elevation. Ang taas! Patayan nga! Wow! Iyan po, tanaw na po namin ng tuktok. Lalasapin na namin, ang ganda ng tanawin. Ito na po ang rewards namin pagkatapos ng mahirap na akyatan. Magandang kapaligiran ang tatanawin. Yahoo! Yahoo!
I know you told Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really
Trail, pero dito po kami sa kanan dahil po pabalik na po kami sa parking. Ayan na, pababa na kami! Bumubulusok! Third stop, picture muna po ng magandang paligid bago bumaba ulit. Yun o. Sarap mag cool down. Sobrang init. Pababa na ulit. Ang sarap. Little jump. Boom. Ready for jump. Boom. Jump ulit. Boom. Ayos. May hams ulit, jump! Hams, jump, boom! Ayos, natapos na po namin yung trail kaya pabalik na kami sa parking. Thank you for watching mga idol. Dahil po 2 oras kami nag-bike, ganyan karaming pawis, ang dami. Daddy yo! Yun po mga ka-itlog, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, Bagwis Toyo Kulot Pandays. Don't forget to hit bell button, pakihampas na lang po ang kampana para lagi po kayong update sa magagandang trail dito sa USA. Tara na po, sama-sama tayo mga kaitlog. Subscribe na. Thank you all. I love you all. Mama, chup chup.